Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is K. Deepa from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject Applied Chemistry. Topic Corrosion. This presentation provides a detailed definition of corrosion, its types, causes, factor affecting corrosion and prevention of corrosion. Introduction of corrosion. Corrosion is the deterioration of materials by chemical interaction with their environment. The term corrosion is sometimes also applied to the degradation of plastic, concrete, and wood, but generally refers to metals. The most widely used metal is iron, and the following discussion is mainly related to its corrosion. Causes of corrosion. Metal being too corroded when it reacts with other substances such as oxygen, hydrogen, and electric current, or even bacteria or dirty. Corrosion can also take a place when metals such as steel are occupied under so much stress, compelling materials to crack. Type of corrosion. Uniform corrosion. Uniform corrosion. In the uniform corrosion, a uniform layer of rust is formed on the surface of the metal and spread over the entire surface of the metal. This type of the corrosion is widely seen on metals that are not protected by a surface coating. Aluminium, zinc, and lead are some metals commonly affected by uniform corrosion. Erosive corrosion. Erosive corrosion is caused by mechanical absorption due to the relative movement between the metal surface and corrosion liquids. In this, the surface of metals gets deteriorated gradually by the abrasion of fast moving liquid, and cavities are also formed. This type of corrosion is commonly seen in metals carrying moving fluids in them. Example, heat exchanger tubes. Galvanic corrosion. When there exists an electric contact between two metals that are electrochemically dissimilar and are in an electrolytic environment, galvanic corrosion can arise. It refers to the degradation of one of these metals at a joint or at a junction. A good example of this type of corrosion would be the degradation that occurs when copper in a salt water environment comes in contact with steel. Example, galvanized iron. Pitting corrosion is very unpredictable and therefore is difficult to detect. It is considered one of the most dangerous type of corrosion. It occurs at a local point and proceeds with the formation of a corrosion cell surrounded by the normal metallic surface. Once this pit is formed, it continues to grow and can take various shapes. The pit slowly penetrates metal from the surface in a vertical direction, eventually leading to structural failure if left unchecked. Example, stainless steel. Waterline corrosion. Waterline corrosion is a type of oxidation process that can happen to materials in contact with water. Waterline corrosion occurs when one portion of a based material is submerged in the water and other portion is in contact with the air. This creates a differential of the amount of oxygen in contact with the material's surface above and below the waterline and results in a corrosive reaction. Example of corrosion in everyday life: rusting of iron, the changing color of the Statue of Liberty, corrosion of the Eiffel Tower, discoloration of the Taj Mahal, marine corrosion. Factors affecting corrosion: presence of impurities such as salt and increases in temperature increases corrosion. Exposure of metal to air conditioning gases such as CO2, SO2, SO3, etc. Exposure of metal to moisture, especially salt water, and increase in temperature increase corrosion. Some oxidize such as Al2O3 from an insoluble protective layer that can further stop corrosion. Other like rusting easily disintegrate and exhibit the remaining part of the metal, etc. Prevention of corrosion. Preventing corrosion is of utmost importance in order to avoid huge losses. The majority of this structure that we see and use are made out of metals. This includes bridges, automobiles, machinery, household goods like window grills, doors, railway lines, etc. This is a concerning issue. Several treatments are used to slow or prevent corrosion damage to metallic objects. This is especially down to these materials that are frequently exposed to the weather, salt water, acid, or other hostile environments. Some of the popular prevention of corrosion are electroplating, galvanization, anodization, passivation, biofilm coating, anti-corrosion protective coating, painting and greasing, use of corrosion inhibitor or drying agent, periodic cleaning of metal surface. Conclusion: corrosion is a complex and costly problem that affects various industries and infrastructure. Understanding corrosion mechanisms, implementing prevention techniques, and regular monitoring are essential. Thank you for watching.